Hey y'all, I am about to share with you some information on the brain-body connection that is going to blow your mind. Now, we used to think that chronic stress just impacted the heart rate, your blood pressure, but now we have information that proves chronic stress actually impacts the way your immune system functions, and the study was published by the National Library of Medicine. This study highlights the fight or flight response that actually impacts the brain and body. So you have that physiological stress response of going into a survival state when dealing with chronic stress, but it actually shows up in the immune system as well. How we typically respond to a threat in our environment is through inflammation. That's literally the brain communicating with the body. A threat is present, it's time to respond. And our body's way of responding to a threat is through inflammation. There's something threatening here, and we need to send a signal to the body, show up in inflammation as pain, as a physical symptom, so you can pay attention to your survival. I like this study because it goes into a lot of detail of how chronic stress shows up in other parts of your body, the impact it has on the immune system, your lymphatics, and other parts of your physiology, not just your physical symptoms. Adrenal axis. So this is basically when your brain, this part of your brain called the hypothalamus, kind of the hormone control center of your brain, sends a message to your pituitary gland, which is responsible for communicating with the rest of your body. That message is there's a threat present. And the pituitary gland sends a message to the adrenals sitting right on top of your kidneys that that threat is present. And your adrenals then release cortisol and other stress hormones in order to keep you alive and safe. So there you have it, your immune response with inflammation and with stress hormones in the face of chronic stress. Chronic stress impacts the immune system, and it's important to bring awareness to that response that we're having so that we can make real changes to our lives. For more information and resources, follow my page here.